Hi everybody, welcome to a Build Fly Go video. This is Mary, my very first video, so this is very exciting for me. This is a video Gil and I put together of us getting the airplane packed and ready to go for our trip. You'll notice we're doing a lot of in and out of the airplane. We ended up a little bit overweight, and so we had to negotiate and think through every single item that we were taking, whether or not we wanted to adjust our clothing or food or all sorts of different items that we had planned on taking. So that took a little bit longer than we had thought and involved a lot of back and forth and then weighing things. We finally got the weight down to exactly where it needed to be, which was good. And that is about the point where we decided to put the cameras into the plane. Which took a little bit of figuring out, and then ended up that Gil had to leave to go get a cable, so he ended up going home really quick. Oh, and at this point right now we're putting the end numbers on the side of the plane, so required to have the 12-inch tall end numbers. This is one of our friends who stopped by to say hi and see what we were up to, and so we talked with him for a while. The end numbers are decals that we put on the plane, so they were the giant decals, and so it took some time and some back and forth. So when our friend left, and then Gil ended up with running home to get the cord for the camera, and I pulled the plane out and then got some final things in place. And so we took longer than we thought we were going to packing, got a slightly later start to our trip, but it ended up, we made some good progress today. So all things considered, a pretty good day. We will talk to you again soon.